Welcome back. So the young seagull fell into the air downward. This is correct. Okay. So you see, question number 11. What were the young seagulls, brothers and sister, doing around him? So the young seagull has two brothers and one sister. So what were they doing along with him? Yes, you come. So you see, the options are curveting, banking, soaring. So young seagull's brother, sister, what they were doing, all of the above is absolutely right, because they were curveting, they were banking, they were soaring with him. Okay, they were in rejoice, they were very happy. Okay, so they were showing all these type of gestures. Now next question. Of what color vast sea did the young seagull see beneath him? यंग सीगल ने जो भास्ट सी को देखा, कौन सा कलर का भास्ट सी था? ऑप्शंस आर ब्लू, ग्रीन, व्हाइट, ब्राउन. यू कम. Green, do you agree with him? Yes, green is absolutely right. I had already explained about the vast green sea. Okay, the seagull could see the vast green sea below. Okay, beneath him. Already I have discussed, talked to you. I have told you about this while explanation of the lesson. Okay. Question number 13. The seagull dived towards his mother because the options are: a strong wind pushed him, he wanted to fly, he wanted the fish in his mother's beak, he wanted to reach his mother. सत्य प्रकाश, सबको बारी मौका मिलेगा. Everybody will get a chance. Yes, you tell me. Option C. Who all agree? Everybody agree? Yes, sir. Option C is absolutely correct, because the young seagull, he dived towards his mother in order to get the fish. Okay, in order to get the fish from his mother's beak. Okay, so this is absolutely right. Question number 14. Move on to question number 14. He stood at the edge of the ledge on one leg and closed his eyes because वो अपने एक पैर पे खड़ा हो गया लेज के ऊपर. ओके, और अपनी आंखें बंद कर ली. क्यों, क्या कारण थे? See the options. He was feeling sleepy. It was a natural habit of seagulls. He wanted to get the attention of. He was afraid of the sea and his family. Everybody must get a chance. Yes, you come. No. Go please. I think the answer is wrong. You all agree? Okay, who can give the correct answer? Yes, you come. Last bench. This is absolutely wrong. It was a natural habit of seagulls. No, it's absolutely wrong. I believe it's absolutely wrong. Yes, you come. After this, no options will be given. Do you all think that this answer is right? Yes, answer C, yes. Answer C is absolutely correct. C has absolutely given the correct answer. Okay. He stood at the edge of the ledge on one leg and closed his eyes because he wanted to get the attention of his family. Okay. He was actually pretending to fall asleep. Okay. But he was not sleeping. Now next question. Question 15. The young seagull was afraid to fly because young seagull ये डरता था उड़ने के लिए. The options are क्यों? He had hurt his wings were not as well developed as those of his brothers and sister. He felt that his wings could not support him. He was not confident. Aditya, come. Everybody should get a chance. Okay. See, he felt that his wings could not support him. Do you all agree? It's absolutely right. Yes. That he felt that his wings could not support him. This is correct. Huh? This is correct? No. Yes. How many of you say option C is correct? Tell me. C is correct. And which number should come with C? Yes, come. It's very simple. Sometimes two options may come. Okay, more than two also may come. Okay, you are correct. So C and D, he felt that his wings could not support him. In the first case, he felt that his wings could not support him and he was also not confident. Okay. So both these options are correct. Now move to question number 16. Who is the author of the lesson is first flight? इसके लेखक कौन है? फर्स्ट फ्लाइट के? Yes, you come. Liam of Flaherty. I think it's absolutely the right answer and you must agree with her. Move on to the next slide. This is the last question of the presentation today. Was the young seagull, question number 17 you see, was the young seagull successful in making his first flight? क्या जो यंग सीगल था ये सफल हुआ अपना पहला उड़ान भरने में? Who has not replied? Who didn't get chance? किसको चांस नहीं मिला वही आएगा. Yes, yes, no, maybe, not known. Yes, you are absolutely right. At last the young seagull was successful in making his first flight. So these are the MCQ questions presented to you by me today. So my dear students, that's all for the MCQ questions. More MCQ questions we will be practicing in future. Okay, thank you.